Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to activate your La Banque Postale card. So follow me in this video guide. First friends, to activate your prepaid cards. This is option for prepaid cards. Just follow me on this video. By going to this website, Prepay Personal Space, go to this one, Prepay Personal Space, access this one on this management space. From this section, you can activate your card. This simple and secure solution to manage and then to activate your cards. Just access from here, access manage space, by write your phone, your identity and password. After that, you will see this dashboard for accounts. Look for card you want to activate and then select your activate option. This is for app friends. Select your card, for example, this Visa card, and then choose activate option from here. Select activate. And the second method, guys, to activate your card, you should be calling this number, IVR 33096936670, and then calling by this number one friends. Use any calling system, to recolor this one, and then you can activate your card. This is the second option. The last option, you can reach your customer area for La Banque Postale. Just select your customer area on the down. If I choose La Banque Postale, contact us, you have contact option. Select your contact option from here. Just wait, you can reach this phone number, and then you can make a contact area, as I say, and then you can activate your card by click on contact us, write your identity, and complete your process. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.